To create a SharePoint list in Microsoft Teams, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Teams app or access it via a web browser. Select the team. Go to the team where you want to add the SharePoint list. Navigate to a channel. Choose the channel within the team where you want the list to be accessible. Add the tab. Click the plus icon at the top of the channel. Select SharePoint. In the Add a tab window, select SharePoint. You might need to search for it if it's not immediately visible. Choose or create a list. You will see an option to either choose an existing list or create a new one. To create a new list, click Create a List and follow the prompts to define your list name and columns. If you're choosing an existing list, simply select it from the available options. Configure the list. After creating or selecting a list, configure its settings, add columns, and enter data as needed. Save and publish. Click Save or Post to add the list to your channel as a tab, making it easily accessible to team members.